Well, off and on with the showers right now, and we can see that on live pinpoint Doppler 12. Not everybody is getting the steady rain. You could see some clearing down there towards South County, and I don't mean clearing in terms of clouds, but just in terms of the heavy rain. But as we move towards places like Riverside, say out into Somerset along 195, you can see some specks of yellow showing some of those heavier downpours. And that's the case for tonight. Every once in a while we get clipped by some downpours and showers, and then other times just some fog and mist where not a whole lot is going on. A flood watch is in effect for Rhode Island only. This has been dropped for Massachusetts. If you're watching us from Massachusetts this evening, that watch no longer in effect. We'll get some heavy rain in Bristol County, Massachusetts, but not as much as we'll see further out to the west. And for Rhode Island, that flood watch is in effect until tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, not looking half bad. We'll talk more about that coming up in just a few minutes. Here's a look at those current temperatures. 72 right now in Taunton, 71 New Bedford, we're 70 Smithfield, 69 Newport, and 69 in Westerly. Satellite picture showing that trail of moisture continues to spill in from the south and southwest, but notice there is some lull in the action. Notice right here a break in the greens and the yellows showing that it's not really raining at all here, and some of that clearing will move in overnight. So at times tonight we're not raining, but then at other times we have those downpours moving through. In terms of how much rain we're expecting, here's how it breaks down. Here's what one of our computer models thinks, and I tend to agree with it. You can see the dark green and the yellow, that represents where the heaviest of the rain will fall. Say west of the Rhode Island-Connecticut border, I'm thinking maybe 1 inch to 2.5 inches of rain. And then for our viewing area, between about 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches. There could be some sections here in eastern Massachusetts which don't even make it to 1/2 inch of rain. So basically, we're watching out for the potential of some street flooding, especially here in Rhode Island. Perhaps those streams and rivers will have to be watched, but at this point, they do not look like they'll be going into danger mode, but we'll keep you updated on that. In terms of the overnight forecast, 67 at midnight, 3 o'clock in the morning, 67. You can see temperatures not really changing very much overnight. That's what happens when we have these moist, humid air masses in place. Tomorrow along the South Shore, 72 Charlestown, Newport, 72 degrees. Westerly gets up to 73, and Coventry will see a high temperature of around 75. For northern Rhode Island, temperatures in the low to mid-70s, 73 for Burrillville, 74 Cumberland, and 74 in Foster. And there are some signs that we could actually get some breaks in the cloud cover by tomorrow afternoon. So most of the rain should be over with by tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon here in eastern Massachusetts, same story, not a washout, maybe a spotty shower here and there. Some of those temperatures actually creeping into the upper 70s. Visibility 1 mile or less on the water, high tide on the way at 11:12, or low tide on the way at 11:12 in the morning. 7-day futurecast shows actually just a small chance of a shower or two on Sunday, and then showers staying with us from Monday through Wednesday. Finally, a complete dry out on the way by the time we get into Thursday. But all in all, not a washout as we head into the weekend. Of course, don't forget about our new iPhone app. You can track the weather as you're out and about tomorrow, maybe trying to do some errands.
Okay. All righty, thanks a lot.
There's more local coverage coming up later on tonight. New on Eyewitness News at 10. We are working new reaction to the FAA's decision to approve a runway expansion.